Before you begin, remove the base enclosure and battery. Removal. Disconnect the left fan from its connector on the motherboard. Remove the wireless antenna cables from the routing channel that secure them to the right fan. Disconnect the right fan from its connector on the motherboard. Loosen the 6 captive P0 Phillips head screws that secure the fans to the motherboard. Remove the mylar that covers the heatsink. Note: the heatsink has numbers adjacent to the following 4 screws. Loosen the 4 captive P0 Phillips head screws that secure the heatsink over the processor components in numerical order. Note: due to the adhesive quality of the thermal grease located between the heatsink and processor components, it may be necessary to move the heatsink from side to side to detach it from the motherboard. Carefully lift the fan/heatsink assembly off of the motherboard and remove. Note: before replacing the heatsink, the thermal grease should be replaced. The thermal grease should be replaced every time the heatsink is removed. Reverse this procedure to install the fan/heatsink assembly.